Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2016 Jeep Wrangler 2-door Sahara. It comes equipped with a 3.6 liter V6 engine paired to a 5-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as Scorpion oversized tires, as well as an iron cross bumper, aux beam LED lights, heated cloth bucket seats, and so much more. Come check it out. We're going to move on to the interior. We're going to have this all black interior with paneling, mesh storage at the bottom there. You got the power locks. And onto these seats, you're going to be manually adjustable, heated cloth bucket seats. Pretty comfortable. Turn on the vents here. You have vents on the left here. And onto the steering wheel, left side will be your menu odometer control, and as well as your voice recognition. And the right side will be your cruise control. Now for the menu here, it's going to ask your digital speedometer. It's going to give you gauges as well, and all that vehicle information. And moving on to the center console. So you got Bluetooth connectivity here with your Sirius XM. You also got navigation included. CD player also with the hard disk drive. And you come into the back of the radio as well with auxiliary. You got the power windows right below it. You got your climate controls as well. Power mirrors with your hill descent control, as well as a 12 volt. So you got the transfer case here. You got more of that mesh storage. A shifter with the 2 heated seats here. The manual e-brake. You got the AC wall port right here as well, and center console with more storage. Passenger side, same finish. You got the Sahara stitch, as well as the grab handle right up top. Equipped with an Alpine sound system. You got some storage up top here with the Freedom removable hardtop, and into the back seat. Don't have much going on here. Just got some extra storage, and as well as you got the roll bar and speakers up top as well. You get the 17-inch red Fuel Off-Road Wheels on Scorpion all-terrain tires. It's a 315/70 with a 17 wheel, so it's a roughly 34-inch tire. You got the fog shocks as well with the iron cross bumper and the puck lights. You get the LED light bar up top with the gold gas cap as well. And in the back you got the spare oversized tire with tow hooks. Trailer hitch on the bottom as well. And into the back here, you got foldable seats for more storage. As you can see, you got speakers in the back with an extra 12 volt. It's a pretty spacious rear. Well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2016 Jeep Wrangler Sahara 2-door, equipped with a 3.6 liter V6 engine, as well as Scorpion oversized tires, aux beam LED light bars, as well as heated bucket seats, Alpine sound system, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.